Okay, here we are. We're in Word Section 3, Formatting and Enhancing a Document. We'll scroll on down. We got to get these exercises done right. So I'm going to launch my first exercise here. And I'm going to go ahead and choose Preview there. Again, we have unlimited attempts. And I'll pause this while my browser is loading this up. All right, we are back. I'm just going to go ahead and get full screen here and get ready to go. So let my screen resolution do its magic and we'll begin. We got 4 things. Again, we got a limited attempt, serious help enabled. All right, let's go. So the first thing we need to do is select the heading Company Party and the paragraph below the heading. We're going to cut the selected text and then paste the text at the beginning of the heading Product Launches. So let's make sure we are following the steps. I always like to get this thing up and running. Our answer key. So number 1, select the heading Company Party and the paragraph below that. So I'm going to go out to my, I got to activate it first. So I got to click over here, but I'm going to click and drag through that right there. Now again, multiple ways you can do it. You can click and drag multiple ways, but I like to use the side here and just click and drag through that. I'm going to go ahead and choose the cut. Sometimes using the keyboard, again, I know and for my Windows keyboard, I can use a Control X, but I'm going to go ahead and choose cut here. Sometimes they like you to use these options in my clipboard group on my home ribbon. So I cut that out of there. We're going to position the insertion point at the beginning of the heading Product Launches. So we're going to go right to the beginning. It's blinking right before there. And I'm going to go ahead and choose paste. And there we go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close that. Again, can you use your keyboard? I bet you can to copy and paste that, but or right-click and copy and right-click and paste. But again, I like to use these options here. All right, 2 of 4. Let's see where we're going. Change the top, bottom, left, and right margins to 1.25 inches. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and click the Layout ribbon. And again, you always got to click on here twice to activate our word. We got our layout ribbon clicked. We're going to click the margins button in the page setup group. So page setup margins, we'll click that button right there. And now we're going to click the custom margins because it doesn't have 1.25 all the way around. If we wanted it 1, we could use normal there, but we're not normal. We're going to head over to the custom margins. And I'm going to type in 1.25, tab key 1.25, tab key 1.25, tab key 1.25. Now there's other ways to do that. You could probably copy and paste that around, but you know, let's go ahead and choose OK. And you can see that we just put in some new margins. I'm going to hit my save key there, and I'm going to go ahead and close the answer key. We're going to jump into task 3 of 4. Insert a plain number 3 page number at the bottom of the pages and then make the document active. All right, so let's go ahead and check that out. So we're going to click the Insert tab. All right, and again, I always remind myself I got to click back in here, then click it. All right, to activate it. We got the Insert tab clicked. We're going to click the page number button in the header and the footer group. So header and footer group, page number, we're going to go ahead and select that. All right, now that we have selected that, we're going to click point to the bottom of page option. Bottom of page option. All right, and we got to wait a second for some things to appear. And we're going to click the plain number 3. It puts it over on the right-hand side down at the bottom of the page, believe it or not. And we'll go ahead and click that. And that will close, and you can see we have that there. And then it says click close header and footer button in the close group. So we want to click this close because right now it's active. We want to be able to get back into our document, so we'll close that. And there we go. Kind of cool. Got our page numbers down there. We'll close our answer key. I'm going to click on my Windows to activate it again, or my Microsoft Word document, and click Save just to save. Last one, 4 of 4. Insert the sample 1 watermark. Yes, we use this all the time as well. So click the Design tab. Again, click back into the document. Hey, I remember this time. Design. All right. And in the Design, I bet you we need to click the watermark button in the page background here. So we'll click that, bring up some options. All right, let that load up, and it wants the click sample 1 from the disclaimers section. So we'll click on that, and we got sample going through there. Very cool. We use this a lot in my cybersecurity class when we make our incident reports. Very cool. So we'll close that. And I'm going to click back in my Word document to activate it, and I'll hit the save key to save that up. And let's see how we did. I think our document looks pretty good. All right, great work, everybody. So that is Word Section 3, Exercise 1. Please join me for Word Exercise, or Section 3, Exercise 2. Again, thank you for being here. And as always, please go ahead, and if you have any technical difficulties, head on over to our courses homepage, scroll down to the bottom, and select that to start a chat with our technical support from Cirrus. Great guys and gals over there. They'll really help you out. Have a wonderful day, and always go Broncos, and thank you for being my students.